Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to dynamically set user menu in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature allows you to dynamically set a personalized user interface element inside your bot conversations. This is an easy way to help people discover and access the core functionality of your bot at any point in the conversation. Persistent menu and user menu are not the same. Persistent menu is the general menu on bot, which all users can access, while user menu is not general. User menu can be specific to each user, meaning you can set user menu A for contact A and set user menu B for contact B. In this case, both contact A and contact B will not have same user menu whilst they are interacting with same bot. That is powerful. Let me show you how to dynamically create and set user menu. The menu was set instantly. There you have it. You just learned how to dynamically set user menu in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.